In the last video, we had an introduction to Wazirx API. Now we are going to look at more endpoints for getting exchange info and things like crypto prices, etc. In the last video, we checked this endpoint. Now we will have a look at other endpoints. We have a system status endpoint here. We'll copy this and test it in Postman. The reply is like this: status is normal, system is running normally. We'll have a look at that endpoint Postman. We will get the status of the server, whether it is running, whether it is okay to make request and trade like that. Now we'll look at another endpoint. There is another endpoint to get system time. We'll get the server time as this timestamp. If you want, we can convert it into human readable timestamp using some programming languages like JavaScript. For example, if we go to our browser console, for getting the JavaScript console, we have to press F12 key, then the console will come up. In that, we can create a function called d, means variable called d, and we will create a date object using our timestamp. Now we can print that d variable. It will give us this human readable time format. We can use the server time and convert into human readable format by using programming languages like JavaScript. Now we will look other endpoints. Then we have an exchange info endpoint. We will make a request like this, which will give us details, this response, whether what is trading, things like that, symbol, BTC, NR, status trading, those details. Then there is another endpoint to get market price data, means real-time price data in the API. We will test that. Copy this endpoint and come to Postman, and we will make a get request to that endpoint. That will give us the current price data of assets in the Wazirx exchange. Here we can see that this is BTC, NR, Bitcoin and rupee price data. Opening price was 37 lakh something, low price 36, highest price 38 lakhs. Here it is, there is the last price, which will be the current price, I think 37 lakhs 41,000 something. Then there is volume and timestamp and bid price, ask price, etc. So this endpoint is very important, which will get us current price data for all assets in the API. Next endpoint, we can get data for a single asset. Here they have given an example for Wazirx coin WRX. We can get data for single asset. Last request it was for all assets. In this case it is for a single asset. We can copy this and we can check that endpoint in Postman client. We will change it to BTC INR. Now we have got price details for BTC. In this case we have to pass the symbol as a query string in the URL. They have given that in the API docs. Query parameters. It's mandatory to provide a string symbol, otherwise response will throw an error. Now next endpoints are related to orders and things like that, which we will look at another time. In coming videos we will try to create some simple application using the API endpoints we discussed till now, like a browser app using JavaScript to get price data, crypto price data. We'll also try to make a Flutter app to get the current crypto price data, a mobile app using Flutter. So subscribe and have the bell notification pressed to get notification. In coming videos we will also have a look at WebSockets and how we can get real-time data using WebSockets with Wazirx API. It is more efficient. So we will have a look at it in another video, coming video. We will make simple application using already discussed endpoints. Then after that we will look at WebSockets also.